Okay, one final step in the restoration process, we have to raise the railing height so that the rollers are the proper distance off of the printing form. I had some trouble doing this a couple weeks ago when I started, but I think I finally have the solution today. First step is this UHMW tape with an acrylic adhesive. It's not going to squish under pressure, or if the rollers sit on them with the spring tension of the rollers, it's not going to leave a dent. Now that I've got the first layer of UHMW tape onto the rails, it's time to ink up the press and see where we are. I'm going to be adding multiple layers of different thicknesses. They're precision thicknesses, so I can accurately dial in the height that I need for the rollers. I'm going to use a light layer of red ink. Hello. I'm going to be using red ink today just because the rollers are black, so that'll help me just visibly see things a little bit better. The way we check the roller height is by a roller gauge. You just stick it down in between the rollers. You've got to check all four corners. It's just around a little under 5/16 wide, and we want it down to 3/32, so we got to build this up quite a bit. Layer 2. And the third layer. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and put on one more layer of metal tape. This one, copper layer, is 0.002, which is my thinnest precision tape that I have. And hopefully that's going to boost everything up just nicely enough where all layers of the bed, all layers of the bed will measure between 1/8 and 3/32 of an inch using a roller gauge. That's the goal. Setting this up for photopolymer, so I'm going to do a photopolymer test print. I'm just doing a vertical lockup because using a photopolymer base and not using any metal type, I don't have to lock any type together, so I can just create vertical pressure rather than the vertical and horizontal. Okay. The Golding Pearl number 3 is different than the Golding Pearl number 11 in that it doesn't have a throw-off switch. When you start inking up a form to print it, you always have to have a piece of paper on it in order to make sure that it doesn't print onto your Timpan paper. Now I'll do some cotton paper because I want to see like what sort of deep impressions we can get. It's going to be way low on the paper, but who cares? I'm just doing it for the experience of the print. Ooh, I think we got it. Oh yeah, you can see the impression. That's really nice. Yeah. This is on 18-pound or 118-pound paper. Well, I'm stoked. I think we got everything worked out with the press and getting it raised using all of these layers of tape and fine precision. I think we did it.